used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you.
Good afternoon, batchmates, and of course, sa mga minamahal naming teachers, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Masaya ako na natuloy itong reunion na to, but at the same time, nalulungkot ako kasi na-invite ako wala ako dyan. So, hopefully, next reunion natin, maka-attend na ako, and I'm sure naman na marami pang magiging kasunod to. So, enjoy na lang kayong lahat dyan. Have fun. And see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Hello, classmate. Ako si Rosalinda Manabat, ang inyong naging kaklase ng grade 6 section 1. Maraming salamat at sa mga nag-organize nitong first ever class reunion natin. Sana sa darating na panahon ay nagkita-kita din tayo. Have fun and enjoy. God bless.
Hello, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, aking mga ka-classmates, sa aking mga teacher na nandyan po ngayon. Maraming salamat po. At sa unang pagkakataon na tayo nagkasama-sama, matagal na natin pinangarap to, pero ngayon lang nangyari. Sana po magtuloy-tuloy na. Next year may maganda uling reunion para sa atin lahat. Suportahan po natin kung sino man po ang mga ngasiwa sa susunod na taon. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Enjoy po natin ang ating reunion. Salamat po. Yun lang po. Bye-bye. Bye.
Everyone, I'm very sorry na hindi ako nakauwi. Happy 39 years of reunion to us. God bless you all. Maraming salamat sa bumuo na ito, lalong-lalo na sa nag-reach out sa ibang bansa. Gawin yung memorable ang bawat segundo, minuto, oras na magkakasama kayo. God bless you all, and I'm very sorry. Mabuhay ang bawat isa. God bless you all. Bye! Enjoy!